Hi, so this is not a makeup tutorial. This is just me showing you that however you do your makeup, it's still going to make sense. And that's on period. However you do your makeup, it's going to come out clean. I said so. Hey guys, my name is Catherine. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I will be showing you the wrong way to do makeup that makes sense. Does that make sense to you? Whatever. Don't mind me, I'm just joking. So, my brows are not carved, but I'm still going to draw and it's still going to make sense. Even though it doesn't really, it didn't come out as I wanted it, but it's still going to make sense. Don't focus more on the brows, okay? So, yeah, I did the brows and conceal it. This is me putting whatever the name of this thing is this highlighter, whatever. Yeah, I think it's highlighter. I'm highlighting it. The reason why I'm doing this video is because lots of makeup artists come out to say that you have to do this thing the right way, you have to do this thing this way. If you don't do it that way, then it's not the right way. If you know anything about baking, you know how when you're using it manually, how you're turning your butter and sugar mixture. Once you start going clockwise, you don't have to go the other way, that's anti-clockwise. You have to keep turning it clockwise so that you don't have your cake spoiled, right? That's how makeup artists come to tell you that when you're doing makeup, it has to be a certain way for it to be perfect. But I'm here to counter that fact because, I mean, you can do anything however you want to do. Let's say you have to make jollof rice and you decide that you're going to um boil the rice after boiling and washing the rice. You decide that the next thing you're going to do is to put all your spices before adding water. Some persons add water first before adding their spices. However you do it, isn't not jollof rice. However you do it, it's still going to be jollof rice, my dear. So that's exactly how I'm going to like do this makeup thing. I'm not doing it the right way. I'm not a makeup artist, but at least I have little idea of makeup. So however I do it, it's still going to make sense. And that's on period. So this blush I put, honestly, I don't even know what I was thinking. It's not a blush, it's just a red lipstick, and I over put it. I didn't even put it in the right spot. But thank God I was able to like, clean and erase that. And as you can see we're making progress and it looks like I'm done. It looks like I'm done. I didn't have contour, so I think I used my pencil to I used pencil as contour. I used lipstick as blush. What else did I use? Yeah, I think that's basically everything I use. The only thing I use here is just mascara. Um, I use foundation, powder, and highlighter. I think that's all I use. And I'm looking this gorgeous. Oh my god. Ah. So if you think your pocket is not fat enough for you to like do makeup, the point here is for you to look good. At least you just have to look good. Don't be caught unfresh. You just have to look good at every given time. And don't wait until you have your complete makeup items. You can do use with anything at all you have. Even if it's just powder, you can make use of it. Look at me now. I didn't have complete makeup item, but see me looking all nice. Yeah, So that's just what this video is all about. Honestly, I just woke up and I decided to do this video. I don't know. Sorry, don't mind me. I don't know why I did it, but I just get a lot of questions. Why don't you make up? Why are you not always on makeup? Is it that you don't know how to? Yeah, you can see that I really know how to. Because it's not easy to make use of three items to do a complete makeup. It's not easy. If you're sure for you, do your own now. Don't mind me, I'm just joking. So yeah, I get a lot of questions. Why don't you make up? Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? So I'm here to show you that I can actually do my makeup. I just don't like doing it. So yeah, that's why I'm almost done with everything. You can see me looking all mwah. I look good. Yep, I look good. So next time you want to do makeup and you don't have everything you need, you can just watch this video and just do what I did. You're still going to arrive at the same destination. Yeah, I actually wanted to put this lipstick, but I changed my mind. Bye bye.